Okay, we've got a child sitting on the edge of a circular carnival ride. So we do 3 revolutions in 5 seconds, and we want to get that into meters per second. So 3 revolutions in 5 seconds. I like dimensional analysis, like stoic type train track things. So 1 revolution. In 1 revolution, this child has gone, they're on the edge, so they do 1 circumference of this circle every revolution of this ride. So that distance, so 1 revolution equals 1 circumference. And this circle, that's 2 pi r, which is 2 pi, and the radius is 4. Okay, so I'm going to go 2 pi times 4 meters for every 1 revolution. Okay, because when you do like dimensional analysis, you multiply by things that equal 1, and 1 revolution equals 2 pi times 4 meters. So we do 3 times 2 times pi times 4 divided by 5, and you get 15 meters per second. So this is C, I think. Yeah, number 2 is C.